Good morning to one and all. My name is Divya Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering from SNS College of Technology. In the previous lecture series, we are discussed about what are the scope of economics and what are the various different types of economics, and also we are discussed about what is managerial economics and its decision, and also we are discussed about macroeconomics and microeconomics. In today's topic, we will discuss about some of the basic terms which is used in the economy. That means basic terms and concepts such as what is it, goods, utility, value, wealth, etc. in the subject engineering economics and cost analysis. First one is value. Value, it is the concept of value is related to the concept of the utility. Utility is the want, satisfying quality of the thing when we use or consume it. Utility is the value in use of the commodity. In economics, value means the power that goods and services have to exchange other goods and services. That is value in exchange. For example, if one pen can be exchanged for two pencils, then the value of one pen is equal to two pencils. This is one of the small example in case of value. Next, we are going to discuss about the term wealth. In common use, the term wealth means money, or it can be described as a property, or it can be described as a gold. Likewise, we can describe anything in case of wealth, money or property or gold. In economics, it is used to describe all the things which have a value. For a commodity to be called wealth, it must possess utility, and also it must possess scarcity, and also it should possess transferability. If it lacks even one quality, it cannot be described as the wealth. In simple, if we describe any product or anything as a wealth, it should possess the three major things like utility, scarcity, and also transferability. If it lacks any one, it cannot be described as a wealth. Next, there are about different forms of wealth such as individual wealth, international wealth, social wealth, financial wealth, national or real wealth. Next, we are going to discuss about the different types of wealth. First one is an individual wealth. Wealth owned by an individual is called private or individual wealth, such as a car. It is owned by an individual. And another example is an house. It is owned by an individual, or a particular type of company. It is owned by an individual. So it is described as an individual wealth. Next one is an social wealth. Goods which are owned by the society are called as social or collective wealth, such as schools, colleges, roads, canals, mines, forest, etc. These are all some of the examples of an social wealth. Next major thing is a national or real wealth. National wealth includes all individual and social wealth. It consists of material assets possessed by the society. National wealth is a real wealth. Next one is an international wealth. The United Nations Organization and its various agencies like the World Bank, IMF, WHO, World Health Organization, etc. are international wealth because all countries contribute towards their operation. Next kind of wealth is an financial wealth. Financial wealth is the holding of money, stocks, bonds, etc. by the individuals in the society. Financial wealth is excluded from the national wealth. This is because money, stocks, bonds, etc. which individual holds as wealth are claimed against one another. Next, we are going to discuss about utility. Any product should have an utility. A rotten egg has no utility because It cannot be exchanged for anything. It possesses no value in exchange. Next important term is scarcity. Mere utility does not create value unless it is scarce. A good or service is scarce in relation to its demand. All economic goods like pen, book, etc. are scarce and also it have value. Free goods like air does not possess any value. Thank you.